Standard 6th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 11, Printing Worksheets in Excel 2016. Students, the screen displays the information only as long as the computer is on. Therefore, sometimes it is convenient to have a printout of the worksheet. The printout is also called a hard copy. There are certain steps to be taken for a worksheet to be printed. First, setting up the page. For selecting the desired page layout, choose the Page Layout tab from the Page Setup. Click on the arrow in the Page Setup group. The Page Setup window appears. The Page tab. This tab is used to set up the page orientation, scaling, paper size and print quality. As given on the screen, we can change the orientation to portrait or landscape. Two orientation is available, portrait or landscape. If the matter doesn't fit into a page, we can reduce the size. This is called the scaling. We can set the paper size in any format such as A4, legal, letter, etc. The print quality depends on the printer. Margin tab. Students, you noticed how the page has a blank border all around. The margin tab helps us to set the header, footer, top, right, bottom and left margins of the page. The header footer. The header is a line of the text that is added at the top of every printed page. For example, the title of a book or chapter name. And the footer is a line of the text added at the bottom of every printed page. For example, the page number. Students, we can also insert the date, time and other information such as a logo. This can be arranged to the left, center or right of the page. Printing the worksheet. A print area can be set by selecting the desired range of cells. Right-click and select Set Print Area. Print Preview. It is used to display an image of the paper before you print it. It shows how a worksheet will look when you print it on paper. This will help you to make last-minute changes or adjustments in your worksheets. Select the worksheet you want to preview. Click File and then click Print to display the preview window and printing option. Otherwise, click on the Office button and select the Print option. You can see the next, previous, zoom, print, setup, margins, preview and close buttons on the Print Preview tab on the preview window. And then finally, to print the worksheet, click on the File or Office button on menu bar and then click on Print. Thank you.